In this video, I'll show you how to use the GoToMeeting app. Now, before we do anything, for those who already have the GoToMeeting app on their Android phone or iPhone or desktop, if your admin has sent you an email with the joining code, all you need to do is put it into the Enter Meeting Name or ID section. You don't have to sign in at all. Just paste that code and then say join meeting. Now, next thing that I want to cover is actually getting the app. So you want to go to goto.com/download, as you can see here on the screen, and that'll bring you to the download center. Now, what's hilarious for the download center is GoToConnect, GoToMeeting, they all seem to just install the GoTo app. So we're just going to click on GoToConnect and hit download, and that'll bring you to this page here. And all you need to do is download GoTo for Windows, and then you're just going to navigate to wherever you chose the install location for, double click on it, and it'll immediately open up GoTo. Now, for those of you who are looking to create a GoTo account as the admin who basically gives out the meetings, you're going to want to come to this page here, which is goto.com/meeting/trial. You need to fill out all of these details here, business email specifically, so not your regular Gmail or Outlook. And then you're going to put in your phone number and your company size as well, and click on start for free. I've already used up the free trial on this, so yeah, that's not going to work for me. But once you are signed in with an admin account, it's going to look like this. And what you want to do in order to create your own meetings is click on the top left here where it says create. And then all you want to do is put in the meeting title, as people who want to join can also use your meeting title. Set your dates, start times, and the duration, as well as the time zone. Click if this is going to be a reusable meeting room, and you can add co-organizers who can also have the option to start the meeting as well. And then all you need to do is hit save. And once you do that, you will see your meeting and you'll see copy link. So this is the link that you're going to send to the people who need to join, and you can hit start in order to start your meeting. And that's all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.